Hey YouTube, welcome back. My name is Sarah if you are new, and we're just gonna get right to it. I've been gone for a while. It's been crazy. In fact, I'll show you. And a really good looking walking boot. It's been sucky. It's just for plantar fasciitis. It's so lame. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite boxes. This is definitely my favorite subscription. BoxyCharm. And not only the BoxyCharm, it's the BoxyCharm Luxe. It's the big fatty box. So loved my last one, and I can't wait to see what is in this one. I'm gonna do a little try on. We're gonna try as much of the products that are in the box as possible, and then I'll tell you what I think and what the value is of everything towards the end. If you want to skip through to that, go ahead, and if you want to see everything that I put on as I do, then just hang with me. We're gonna see what's in the BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe, okay? All right. Oh, I can't believe what's in here. This is amazing. Okay, so right off the bat though, so we have the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I've actually gone through like 2 tubes of this already. This is one of my favorite hydrating, like leave-in sort of products for my hair. Already. I love IGK. They're like vegan free, sulfate free, paraben free. They're like so many things. And this says like if you have dry, coarse, frizzy hair, I would say, oh yeah, here it is. Vegan, cruelty free, gluten free, UV protection. Oh, I'd forgotten that it was a UV protector. But I really love this product when I had hair extensions in, and I really love it even without my hair extensions. Just like an FYI, I have super straight, really fine hair. And so but then when I had, and I don't have very much hair, so I use like just the teeniest little drop of this when I use it now. But when I had my hair extensions, I had gobs of hair, and it wasn't as fine as my hair. And it was, this was like a miracle worker. I went through tons of this when I had my extensions in. So we've got here Sunday Riley's Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I've been needing a moisturizer. I'm so excited that we've got this month because I was about to buy a moisturizer, and it wasn't gonna be one that was as nice as this one. I was kind of feeling a little cheapy. You know, I was just like, ugh, moisturizer. The only thing I will say is that I was planning on buying one that had SPF in it, but that's okay because I make sure you hydrate that neck. I can just apply sunscreen separately. That's not a big deal to me. And then we got the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Cleanser. And so now I have a sleeping mask, which is great. I need to keep that by my bed so that I will use that. So today, to add a little bit of sun protection, I'm going to be going with my Hourglass Mineral Veil. It has a mineral SPF of about 15. We have a set of Moda Studio brushes by Royal & Langnickel. It's an 8-piece Pro Glam set. It is cruelty-free, 100% vegan. Moving on, we have a Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. It is their contour palette. This is really cool because this is one that I actually almost got. I really heavily considered buying this when I worked at Sephora. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's like a really pretty rose gold, like snake or alligator, actually, I believe that's what you call that pattern. This is what the inside looks like. We've got various shades of contour bronzer. We've got actually more like contour and then bronzers here. And then we've got some pressed setting powders. So here is the eyeshadow palette that came with this box. It is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. And here's what she looks like. Yeah, very like fun, but you can do like everyday looks with this for sure. We've got some good transition shades, warm shades, and then even a little black in there. So you could take this and do anything you want with it with some good shimmer shades. Okay, you guys, well, this is my finished look using all of the items. So let me just give you the rundown on everything. I'll just kind of preface with that there were 0 disappointments. So I'll just go down on the little list that they gave me here and just as the way of order, okay? So first we have the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Eyeshadow Set or Palette, and this retails for $29. So next I have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this retails for $52. And then we have our Hank and Henry Blickety our Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner that retails for $20. Okay, and then we have our Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick that retails for $22. Then we have the Park Avenue Princess face palette, and this retails for $45. Love this. I think it's very versatile, and I love all the shades that you get out of it. This is why I'd contemplated buying it so long ago. I think I will get use out of all of the shades. It's definitely not for someone who's super dark, and not for someone who's super shade. It's definitely going to be for the medium range of skin tone. Then we have the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream Moisturizer. You guys, this retails for $65. Then we have the 8-piece Royal and Langnickel brush set, and this retails for $69. Okay, and then lastly, we already know this is like this is a badass product. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. It retails for $29. And so I will put ba-boom. Here is our total. So the BoxyLuxe box, which is only once a quarter, is a $50 charge. That is it for today, you guys. I hope you super enjoyed seeing the look that I pulled off today using all of the products that came in my BoxyLuxe box. I super like it. The lip is still really comfortable, actually, much better than a totally matte lipstick. I don't really like matte ones personally. So yeah, I hope you super enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit the like button down there, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you next time. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye. God bless.